Welcome to LeadPile, the world's largest online exclusive lead marketplace. You may be asking, what is the LeadPile Lead Marketplace? Simply put, the LeadPile Lead Marketplace is the world's largest exclusive lead exchange where lead buyers or advertisers and lead sellers or publishers come together to buy and sell almost any type of lead. The LeadPile proprietary platform creates a true lead marketplace where lead buyers and lead sellers are in total control. In the LeadPile marketplace, lead pricing changes dynamically based on three things: a true supply-demand curve for leads, on lead quality, and on the actions of the market participants. Many people have referred to the LeadPile marketplace as the eBay of lead generation because of its ease of use, flexibility, and market-driven pricing model. If you are a publisher or lead seller, the LeadPile marketplace provides you the fastest and most technologically advanced platform in the world to instantly reach multiple lead buyers who bid real-time on your leads, and this gives you the highest conversion rates in the industry. So if you are a lead seller or publisher, you simply capture the lead and sell it real-time to the highest bidder. If you are an advertiser or lead buyer, LeadPile proprietary lead marketplace ensures that you, as a lead buyer, are in total control of exactly what leads you buy, how many you buy, when you buy, at what price you buy, and whom you buy from. And you can begin receiving your leads immediately by opening a free account with no commitments, hidden fees, or minimums. So whether you are a super affiliate desiring to earn more money on your current lead generation and website traffic, or you are a business seeking to increase your ROI by being in total control of your lead buying needs, the LeadPile marketplace offers you a fast, simple, and easy-to-use platform where lead buyers and lead sellers come together to conduct business at a price point that is acceptable to both parties. At LeadPile, we appreciate your business, and it is our goal to provide you the world-class service you both expect and deserve. We invite you to open a free account, and we thank you in advance for your business. LeadPile, the world's largest online exclusive lead marketplace.